Today in this video, I'll tell you everything about DSW's return policy. We'll cover returns with or without a receipt, how to handle returns without tags, and what happens if you miss the return window. Let's get started. DSW's General Return Policy. You can return most items purchased at DSW stores or dsw.com within 90 days of the purchase date. Here's what you need to know. Items must be unworn and undamaged to receive a full refund to your original form of payment, including PayPal. Returns for DoorDash purchases must be made within 30 days and will be refunded as a merchandise credit, as long as the item is not marked Final Sale. Returns with or without a receipt. With a receipt, you'll receive a full refund to your original payment method. Without a receipt, you'll need a valid ID, and your return will be refunded as a merchandise credit at the current selling price. DSW may limit the number of returns without receipts. With a gift receipt, refunds are issued as merchandise credit or for an even exchange. 3. Returns after 90 days. If you miss the 90-day return window, you'll receive a merchandise credit even if you have the original receipt. For exchanges after 60 days, the difference will also be refunded as a merchandise credit. Items purchased using rewards or discounts. If you used DSW rewards or discounts, the refund will only reflect the final purchase price. Rewards and offers are not reissued unless the exchange is made on the same day. DWS return fees. Free return shipping is available for Gold and Elite members. For other customers, return shipping costs $8.50, which will be deducted from your refund when using DSW's prepaid return label. DWS exchanges. Exchanges are available for the same item in a different size or color. For different items, you'll need to follow the return process and place a new order. If you exchange online, your new item will be shipped after the original is dropped off at FedEx. For DoorDash purchases, merchandise bought through DoorDash can be returned at DSW stores within 30 days. These returns are refunded as merchandise credit, provided the item is unworn in original packaging and includes a valid DoorDash receipt. DWS returns without tags or original packaging. Items must be unworn and in original packaging to qualify for a refund or exchange. Without original packaging or tags, DSW reserves the right to decline the return. DWS refund processing time. Refunds take about 7 to 10 business days after DSW receives the returned item. DWS payment-specific returns. If you used PayPal, the refund will go back to your PayPal account. For purchases made with a combination of PayPal and gift cards, the refund will be issued entirely as a gift card. Returns made with Venmo or Afterpay should be processed in-store. That's everything about DSW's return policy. Whether it's with a receipt, without tags, or after the return window, now you know how it works. For detailed exceptions, check the screen or pause the video. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe for more updates. Thanks for watching and happy shopping.